So in every crypto crash, is either you're making money or you're losing money, and this is what we're going to be learning in this particular video. So right here we're going to be putting into the positive part, which you're going to be making some massive profits in this part of the dip right here. So these are the first thing you need to know about cryptocurrency right here. But remember, this is not a financial advice anyway. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. So do well to make your own further research before investing into anything we talk about in this particular video. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video in full details. All right, so in the last 1 hour we can currently see that we have a massive downfall in terms of cryptocurrency, and for Ethereum as a case study for today, it's about $2,000 right here downward, and this is actually massive and it's a massive dip right here. So if you check out this particular site, you are going to see from about $3,500 right here to $2,000. That is massive. Like, that is massive. So right here, this is how you can currently make in some little amount of cash into this right here. So you can see in the last 15 minutes right now, we actually have the curve of the market, which the prediction is actually to say the market is actually coming back up. So if you check out this particular green line, you are going to see that we are actually having an upward trend in terms of crypto right here. And one of the reasons why this particular cryptocurrency actually went down TFS, right, kind of. So if you want to read more about that, you can go more and read more about what happened, why the crypto market is currently down. But we know this is not actually a stable coin. This is a coin that fluctuates, that go ups and down, but the dip was so much that it actually affects a lot and bring a lot of panic for people that want people to actually sell right here. So the best way you can actually make money on this particular platform right here is actually to hold your coin, and it's going to pump up back. That is currently sure. But if you actually notice that your particular token you are holding is going to get liquidified, all you need to do is either you sell or you top more. So best advice that can come out from any investor is do what is better for you, because there's no way someone can actually advise in this kind of situation and you are going to get it into your head. So we actually stay away from your portfolio for a while. Do well to stay for your mental health, do well to stay for your portfolio, do well not to come to this particular curve every minute and be checking, so that you have a good health status right there. So if you check out this particular area, you can see we have the increasement, and the pump is currently coming up right here, like gradually it's coming up. So we are now on 2,356 right here, and this is coming up. So let's hope by the end of today this might actually increase more and get to some certain amount and give us some profit right here. So most of the coin you can currently buy now are coins that you know that have good potential for you, and check their liquidity, check their community, and right here. So thanks so much for watching this particular video. I love you all guys, and see you in my next video. Do well to stay safe. The crypto market will come back soon.